So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is going fine on your side, and like always, each one of you is ready to talk about a new strategy. Okay, so before we'll start the conversation, let me tell you a couple of more important things. Like Olymptrade is used to conduct live sessions every now and then, where we are coming live talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help you with all your trading concerns. So if you're new to the trading or if you're new to the channel, I request you please connect with this channel, subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, so of course you will be able to connect with us and we will be able to help you with that. Comment section, I have already activated that one. So in case if you will be finding any difficulties, any question, query, you can confirm me there. I will be taking care of that one. And before we'll start, I want one piece of information from your side also, traders. Please confirm if my audio and video is clear. So just confirm me so that we can initiate the conversation, we can proceed further. And of course you might have already checked the name of the strategy in the description. So the name of the strategy is Rodeo. Oh sorry, Kind Martin we are going to discuss. Initially we were supposed to talk about that one, but now we are going to talk about the Kind Martin. Okay, so I can see that there are so many comments already. Komang, hello. Yash, hello to everyone. Okay, so Yash is asking like why we are not conducting today's session in the bigger screen. So Yash, like we are keep on changing the format, so everyone will be aware that how they can explore the platform or they will be able to access it. So that is the reason. Okay. Musician ji, I'm so sorry today she is not available, so that is why I am taking the session. I hope you don't mind. She will be back soon, so I'm hoping that she will be live in the next one. Okay. Okay, so yes, yes, that is completely depending on you. Like you need to check with your CA, like your tax authorities, that how you can share it, like how you can make it visible in your income, and they will be the best one to help you with that one. Okay, okay, Subodh, hello. Please provide a signal. For sure, Mohammed Faiz. See, I am going to share a strategy which you can apply on your account, and then you will be able to use that one. And traders, those who are new, make sure subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so that whenever we will be coming live next time, of course you will be able to connect, and you can share the link of this channel, link of this session also with your dear ones, so that whenever we will be coming live, or like they will be able to connect today as well, so they will be able to get some information. So without wasting more time, let's kick off today's session. So let's talk about the strategy, and then I will be coming back to the comment section. So whatever you will be having doubts, just keep on writing in the comment section. I will be taking care of that also. Okay, so that screen which is visible, that is like a mobile version. So today we are going to conduct session in that one. The strategy, as we have discussed, I am going to talk about, that is Kind Martin. So to apply this strategy, all you just need to go on this technical analysis button. Traders, those who are not on that specific level where this strategy is unlocked, nothing to worry. This session is still useful for you, because I am going to tell you that how you can apply it manually. So this is the best part. You don't need to buy the strategy. I will be guiding you that how you can use it for a free. Okay, so it's a advanced level strategy with these two lines, like these two green arrows, they are indicating that it's a advanced level strategy. It can be used for FT, which means fixed time, FX, which means forex. Once I'll click on that one, a new window will pop up. A small description video will be there. For now, no need to bother yourself. I am here to help you. Of course, I will be guiding you with that one. A small piece of introduction, and along with that, the indicator and oscillator with the frequency, everything is visible here. Okay, as this strategy is already unlocked for you, so I don't need to buy it. I'll just click on enable, and the strategy is ready to be used. It's visible on my screen. Those who are on this expert starter level and the strategy is still locked for you, all you just need to go to the same technical button, go to the search, first search for parabolic, it's already there, same frequency is there. Then you need to apply the MACD. for this one you need to make some changes with the frequency. So it's 7, 14 and 5, but by default we are getting 12, 26 and 9. So I'll just make a quick change in that one. Make sure you hide these two, because we need only the this one, area chart, and click on back. Once you will apply everything, click on these three buttons and click on save. Next, and your strategy will be ready to be used for free. So again, I'm explaining it, no need to buy the strategy. This can be used for free as well. Let's do one thing. Let's make a quick change in the visualization. No changes with the frequency, because the reason behind is whenever I'm using MACD, so I am using this line one. The reason behind, so I believe that that is more visible and that is more clear for me to check whether in which direction the MACD is moving. So far, if you have any doubt, any question, how to apply this strategy manually, what are the technicals we are going to use, just drop me a comment in the comment section. I will be coming to that. I will be taking care of that one. Now let's talk about that, how exactly this strategy works. So in this one, if you observe, there are two things where we are going to focus. The first one is these small pink dots, which we call as parabolic. So parabolic, it's like a trend reversal tool, which will be indicating that when there can be a change in the trend of the market. Okay, so how it is going to help you, how you are going to analyze with the help of this one. So whenever these dots are appearing on the top of the chart, on the top of the candle, so they will be indicating that the market can go into the downward direction. Traders, understand one thing, I'm always saying that market can go. I'm not stating that the market will go. The reason behind is these are just some technical tools which are going to be based on some previous candles on the basis of some mathematical calculation. So there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, do not invest your complete capital in a single trade by considering that I have learned something from YouTube, or I have learned something from my personal analyst and I am going to make huge profit. There is nothing like that. You have to use your capital in such a way that you will be able to use it for a longer period, and in case if there will be some negative results, at least you should be able to recover it. And for that, you should always focus on your risk management and money management. Okay. Now let's talk about MACD. So how exactly MACD is working. So in this one, you can observe that there is so let me complete the parabolic part. So when these are appearing on the top of the asset, on the top of the candles, so these will be indicating that market can go into the downward direction. At the same time, when they will start appearing at the bottom, they will be confirming that the market can try to move into the upward direction. Okay, so as I have already mentioned that it's a trend reversal tool. So whenever there will be a reversal in that trend and that will keep on following, so then these will change their direction. So we will be taking the trade when it will change the direction. So if back to back parabolics are appearing on the top of the chart, so we will wait once they will change the direction and they will start appearing at the bottom. At the same time, we will try to get the second confirmation from the MACD. So in MACD, there is a level 0. So whenever the MACD will try to intersect this level in upward direction, market can try to move into the upward, and vice versa. I mean to say, if the intersection is in the downward direction, market can try to move into the downward. So when we will be getting both the confirmation together, at the same time, we will try to open our position for at least 2 to 3 candles. So just a time frame for the chart is minimum 1 minute, and trade can be open from 2 to 4 candles, like 2, 3 or 4 candles. We will start it with 2 candles, and then in case if we will be able to make profit, good enough. Otherwise, we will switch it to the another time. Traders, so far any doubt, any question, any query, please write me in the comment section. You can give me a thumbs up if everything is clear, so at least I will be also aware that I do not need to bother about the comments. So just keep on responding, keep on reacting, so that that session will be also interactive, and that will be also keep on motivating me that everybody is able to grab the opportunity, able to grab the information. Let me take a couple of more comments. Okay, so yes, I'm so sorry, today we are not going to conduct any sort of contest, so there is no such challenges I am going to take, so there will not be any risk free trade. I'm so sorry for that, but of course in case in future if anything will be there, of course we will be guiding as per that also. Okay, so let me see. Rishabh, I request you, please do not spam the message, because sometime like when you are keep on writing the same thing, so another trader, those who are having any doubt, so when we just scroll it, so that question, that doubt is not visible. So I request every trader, please do not spam the messages. Like I will also tell you, like when everything is already covered, so I will be telling you that you can spam now, so that is completely fine. Vijay ji, please let me know like what help you are looking for, please provide. Okay. Deposit. Inamur, I request you just connect with the support team, they will be guiding you with your concern. Hi, it is my first time here with you. Ahmad, very warm welcome to the session. I request you, please subscribe the channel, because we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Arabic, Portuguese, Thai, Vietnamese. So many languages are available. Whichever you are comfortable with, you can explore them as well. Okay, so will you explain Friday strategy? Tehseen, today we are talking about Kind Martin, but in case if I will be having some time at the end, I will try to explain the Friday. We have talked about that same strategy in the past also, so you can just go to the playlist part, content part, and over there you will be able to find it easily. Okay, so hi to everyone, hello to everyone. Okay, so again see, yes, it's not the mobile application right away I am using. I have just squeezed my window in the form of a mobile version, so that is why so even though I am conducting this session with my laptop itself, so that is why this mouse is visible for you. Okay, so traders, let's do one thing. Let's kick off the live action today. Let's kick off the trading part. We will start taking some trades while using this strategy. In the meantime, of course, I will be keep on coming back to the comment part. So whatever doubts you will be having, I will be keep on guiding you. Okay, so let's kick off today's live action, and before we'll initiate that one, couple of important piece of information. First one, traders, this is a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. See, so understand one thing, that you need to invest time, also learn technical strategies and everything, grab a hold on that one. After that, start making investment on real funds. Till that time, you can practice it on your demo account. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken in the past, I am going to take in the future. Everything, like even during this session, I am the one who will be responsible for my trade. Everything is depending on my skills. Third thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds or minute. So please avoid doing a copy trading, because that can lead to some negative results. Just try to explore the strategy, understand the strategy, because once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then it will be very easy for you to use it further. Because this session is hardly for next 40-45 minutes, and after that also you have to trade. So if you will be able to grab the opportunity, grab the strategy, that will be more useful for you, that will be more fruitful for you. Okay, so let's kick off the session. Let's kick off the trading part. In case if you will be finding any signal on any asset, you can also comment me in the in the comment section. So I will be exploring that one. If that will be feasible, of course I will be taking trade on that one. If not, I will be guiding you that what are the things which we need to take care in addition. Okay, so let's kick off. I will keep on shuffling my cards. I mean to say, I will keep on changing my assets, and once I will be getting any confirmation, then I will try to open a trade. Okay, so MACD intersection is already there, but that was on this candle. Parabolic is changing direction after 2 candles, so we need to wait a bit. Let's see if we will be once we will be getting the second parabolic appearance, then we will be opening a position, because this is the way how I am using this strategy. So I am if my trade time frame is less than 10 minutes, so I am opening the trade on the appearance of second parabolic, and if that is more than 10 minutes or like, then I can think about first parabolic also. Okay, so even though it's about to 7 Indian Standard Time, so US market is also about to open, so we can expect some sudden volatility also, so we will keep on preparing for that all as well. So let's see in case if we will be getting any signal. So we have already executed our first trade. Okay, so I am expecting that sooner or later there can be a signal. Okay, so market is trying to change the direction. Let's analyze if any support resistance level is nearby. No, nothing is there, so we can think about. And traders, this is something which you can also apply when you are using any strategy with the Japanese candle. There are 3 things where you can focus on. The first one, always trade in a trending market. Like market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward and sideways. So we will always try to trade in either upward market or downward market. We will always avoid taking trades in the market like this one, like a consolidation is going on. So we will wait for the moment and then we will start taking trades. Second thing, you can also consider the resistance and support level. You can avoid taking trades like whenever the market is stuck near any resistance or support level. That will decrease the number of signal, but that will also decrease the number of false signal, so which will help you to avoid unnecessary reversals and unnecessary negative trades. Third one, whenever you are going to execute any trade, please consider the formation of the previous candle. Just a quick overview: bigger the body, smaller the wick, that can be a better direction. That can be a very nice candle to trade on. There are a couple of more things you need to focus on. Like once you will start following such strategies, a couple of things, then of course you will be able to grab a hold on that one. So slowly and gradually that will be taking some time. So that is the reason that I am always suggesting that you should focus on your demo account also. You should also work on your demo account. Once you will be able to grab that strategy, then you can use it on. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I have taken a couple of trades. Those trades went negative. Okay, so our first trade that went negative, let's analyze. Okay, so what exactly happened? So market was trying to move into a specific direction. Just a moment. Okay, so we opened the position in the upward direction, but at the same time there was a reversal and market went negative. No worries. Like I have made a couple of profits in the morning, so everything is looking streamlined, nothing to worry about that one. Okay, so we will also try to explore different assets. Let me take okay, so very nice signal is there. So let's do one thing. Let's take a trade with $30 in upward. So I have opened the position on the first parabolic. I will also be opening my another position on the second parabolic. So we will try to conclude that which one is going better for now, because it's about to 7. So of course we can expect some sudden volatility. Nothing to be worried about that one. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's take a couple of more comments. Okay, so withdraw. Aman, I request you just connect with the support team. They will be guiding you with that one. If you are facing any issue with the withdrawal, standard time frame is 24 hours to 5 working days. So once the amount will be processed, and then your bank processing center will be processing that amount. That will reflect your trading in your bank account. So nothing to worry about that one. Okay, so why withdraw too much time? See, Ali Khan, there is a queue which we need to follow before processing any amount. So that is the reason that it can take 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of the withdrawals, they are processed within 24 hours. But in case if anything is taking time, I request you, please stay calm. Just wait for that, because once your turn will be there, team will process it, and of course you will be receiving your money. Okay, आज RFT मिलेंगे. I'm so sorry, Rishabh. Today we are not going to give away any RFTs. Ashtan, Raza, hello. Okay, hello to everyone again. So I can see that so many new traders have also joined. Few new names are also there. Okay, So just a moment. Rinki ji, hello. Mohammed Usman ji, hello. Okay, I lost my capital of 5 lakh in this. Mohammed Amanji, I'm sad to know that like you faced a huge loss on the platform. Just let me know by any chance, like if you used any strategy, any technical tool, or like if you were taking some any sessions with any of your analysts, anything like just traders, whenever you are sharing your experience, just make sure you share a couple of more things like I was using this strategy and I made that much loss, or I made that much profit, because these are the things which can be useful for other traders also. Like if one trader is not able to make profit on any specific strategy, so of course either there might be couple of things we need to cover again, we need to talk about, or we need to explain it again, or in the meantime if somebody is able to make profit on any strategy, so they will be getting motivation that okay, this can be considered or this can be focused on. I'm not stating that if one medicine is working for me, that will be working for you also. I mean to say, if one strategy is making profit for me, that will be making profit for you, and that could be vice versa also. There might be some traders like those who will be making profits with different strategies, and I am not able to. The reason behind is that how much hold I have on that. Okay, so you should also focus on that one. Okay, so how to achieve trading goals like from small account to large account? Abhilash, very nice question you have asked. See, always start whenever you want to make some profits, or whenever you are trading, you starting your day. Okay, so we managed to book one profit on New Zealand USD OTC, and we used our RFT also. So whatever amount we have lost, like which was $20, so we have already recovered it, even though I know like I have lost one previous executed trade that was for 200, but I have made a couple of handsome profit today, so I don't think that we need to bother about that one trade is already in the pipeline. Let me just have a look on that also. It is looking like it will go positive. Let's see how it will go. Okay, yeah, it's quite far. Okay, let's continue. Let's keep on shuffling the cards again and try to explore some more opportunity. Traders, if you will be finding any question, make sure write in the comment section. And Abhilash, just give me a quick moment. Let me just open at least one more position, and then we will be talking about your question also. It's a very nice question. I really appreciate, and I also want to talk about that one, like how you can make a big capital or big account from a small capital. Traders, understand one thing, it's never about capital and it's never about the accuracy. There is a myth that if you will be holding 80% success rate or 90% success rate only, then you will be able to make profit. And another myth is with big capital you will be able to make a big capital. There is nothing like that. First thing, if I'll talk about the success rate, just if we'll go as in a calculative manner, as a calculation, let's assume that you are able to have a profitability, or like you are having profitability of 90%. Like behind every $100 trade, if the trade will go positive, you will be getting $90, and if the trade will be going negative, so you will be losing 100. So you are going to lose $10 extra. If this is the scenario, even with 53% of accuracy, you can make calculation also, even with the accuracy of 53%, you will be able to hold a no profit no loss zone, like which we can call as break even point. And once you will start making profits, like once you will start increasing your success rate from 53 to 54, slowly and gradually you will start making profit. So it's just a myth that with 70% or 80% or 90% success rate you will be able to make profit. You can make profit even with 55 or more than that percentage of success rate. That is completely depending on you, because what exactly we are supposed to do? Make more money when you are right, lose less money when you are wrong. That's it. Second thing, as we were also talking about the capital, so let me give you one example for that also. So this is something which I am used to talk about when I am in my personal sessions also. So your capital is like your car. Doesn't matter whether you have a sports car or luxury car, or doesn't matter you have a economical normal car. Your fundamentals, your technicals, and your graphical analysis, or like these things, these are like either the mechanic, engine oil, and the repair system. Doesn't matter whether you are using a perfect one or an average one, but your money management and risk management, that is the fuel of the car. Now just imagine that you have a very nice luxury car. You hired a, you know, a person who is coming from another region, or even from the another country, just to maintain your car. You are using the best engine oil, everything is going fine, but you are not adding fuel to that, then you will not be able to move with even a single fit. And that is 100% true, right? And at the same time, there is a person, like there is a car which is a normal one, a normal mechanic is taking care of that one. You are using an average engine oil, everything is streamlined, and you are putting fuel in that one. So slowly and gradually you might be able to move ahead. And of course you will be able to move ahead if you have a correct oil in that one, oil in the sense fuel. So that's how your risk management and money management is going to play a vital role when you are trading. I have seen some traders, those who are stating that, sir, I'm used to trade with a bigger capital. I want a capital like $200, $500, $2,000, and only then I am getting a confidence, or I am able to make some profits on the platform, or I am able to trade. And in the meantime, sometime, like whenever I am available, or like whenever I have some small capitals like $10, $20, $50, I'm just adding them. I'm not taking it seriously, and I'm just keep on taking some random trades. Then I'm just asking them, sir, what about that money? That money is also real. Then why you are using it in that way? Like why you have that mindset? That is also a real fund. It's not a fake one. Then why don't you use it wisely? Like sometimes traders, they are stating that, sir, once I will be making a 2,000 deposit, like make it $500 deposit, then I will start taking trades seriously. What about the money which you have made previously, like $50 you have added? You can use that capital wisely, and you can try to increase it slowly and gradually. And there is a possibility that when you were supposed to make a deposit of 500, you have already converted that 50 to 200 or 300. So of course you need to make a smaller deposit. So it's never about that how much capital you have, it's always about how you use it. And to increase that capital, to make a capital, the best way which I can suggest you, always set a target. And that target should not be only for one day. That should be either for 7 days, 15 days, or 1 month. Whatever the target you have set, like I want to make $400 in 7 days. Okay, divides 400 divided by 7. That is somewhere around 57. Okay, let's make it a round figure, next highest round figure. So 57 will become 60. So in a single day, if I will be making $60 every day, in 7 days I will be having 400 or more than that in my bucket. I know in the beginning you might not be able to achieve 100%, but at least you will be able to get a direction, or you will be able to see the direction in which you are moving, right? So that is the main focus, because slowly and gradually you will start making profits, but only when you will be at that time you will be able to hold it, when you will be able to understand that how useful it, or how important that capital is to hold. Traders, we are trying to grab some opportunities, but I am not getting anything. Market was in volatility, like in the consolidation from a very long time. So let's do one thing. Let's take one trade with the RFT. The reason behind why I am using RFT, because as I have already mentioned, that we should wait for the reversal, and at the same time we should trade in the trending market. But it's been a long time that we haven't found any opportunity. So let's open one. And traders, understand one thing. I want to show you that how this strategy works. So I have that obligation. You don't have that. So for you, there are no such compulsion that from a very long time I haven't opened a trade, I have to open a trade. Nothing like that. Just stay calm, wait for the opportunity. Once it will be there, then pick it up. Now on this one, this signal, I will be waiting a bit more. The reason behind is, even though parabolic is there, even though MACD is intersecting, but if I'll try to scroll it back, so there is a support level. which is already breached. Now we can think about taking a trade in the round. Let's see if market will hold this. This one was at the, at just at a base, but no worries. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we will keep on shuffling the cards, we will keep on shuffling the assets, and in case if we will be able to grab some opportunity, of course we will be taking care of that one. We will be trying to grab it. Okay, so 2 trades in the pipeline, one with the RFT looking like that will be going negative, and this one also. No worries. Okay, let me take a couple of more comments. How to achieve trading. Yeah, so Abhilash, again I'm just suggesting you use your money management, risk management, slowly and gradually start making capital. Don't think about that like I have only $20 or $30. Just start growing it and use your capital in such a way that you will be able to use it for a longer period. By that I am trying to say that always start your day with the 1% or less than that one. Like if your capital is $100, you can start with $1 trade. But if your capital is 500, no, it's not compulsory that you have to trade with $5. You can start with lesser also. Okay, and slowly and gradually you can increase the capital also if you want to. I'm not like stating that you have to increase, but that is completely up to you. But in case if you want to increase it with a strategy. Like if your 3 trades for $1 are successful, make the 4th trade with 1.2 or 1.5. Again take 3 trades. Trades are positive, make it 2, because slowly and gradually your capital will keep on growing. And at the same time, if a $2 or $3 or $5 trade will go negative, that is not going to affect your what we call money management and risk management, or that is not going to create any sort of pressure on your mind. And that is something which you need to focus on. Okay, just a moment, let me do one thing. Let me take a couple of more comments. Okay, how to see Zain bro, best trick bata de. See Zain, the best trick in the trading, always hold your capital. Second one, always whatever you are learning, whatever the technicals you are going to follow, make sure you practice it on your demo. Once you will be able to grab hold, then take it to your live account. Do not take it right away. Like I have learned something, this is something fascinating. I have seen someone making a huge profits on while using that strategy, so I will be following that. No, you have to use it. Okay, hello dear, how are you? Manua, I am very good. I hope you are doing fine also. I'm glad to see that you are new to the platform and new to the channel. You are like very warm welcome, and request you please connect with us, stay connected with us, be part of the family by subscribing the channel. And okay, let me take a couple of more. Hello to everyone, I'm also here for the first time. I have subscribed to your channel now. Krish, thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for joining the family. Okay, so you are from Ahmed. Because of litigation I will not be able to share my exact location, but yeah, by ethnicity if you talk about, I'm an Indian. Okay. Yes, that's not true. Like we are not getting anything for free. Like I have been trading like from a very long time. It's been almost 7 years on the platform. So these are the RFTs which I have collected over the period. So there is nothing like, there are no free cakes, no free lunches for anyone. Okay. Mohammed, I am trying to grab some opportunities, but market is quite slow, even though US market is already open. So that is the reason that we are not able to open a couple of trades. But in the meantime, I am trying my best to use this strategy so that I can give you at least some, overall overview. Okay, please teach us money management. Okay, Abhilash, let me give you a bit more information about the money management also, because this is one of my favorite topic I am always used to talk about. Let me just have a look. Okay, so this trade went negative, Astro went positive, very nice. Okay, so we managed to book some profit. What happened to this trade? No worries. Because today I grabbed one very nice opportunity. From there I have made a very nice profit. So in case if 4 or 5 trades will go negative, that is not going to affect. Just give me a minute, Abhilash. I will be taking care of your comment also. I'm just trying to grab at least one opportunity. I'm just exploring the composites as well. Sooner or later there is a possibility. Okay, so let me just give you a quick overview about the money management. So just let's start with the example again, because I am used to talk in examples, because that is more easy to make you understand, and that is more easy to make you relatable. Okay, so understand, like just imagine that there is a trader who took 4 back-to-back trades, each trade with $10 with the profitability of 80%. He managed to book a profit of like somewhere around 32. Now he's having a mindset, or like every trader, he's also thinking that everything is going good, trades are going fine, my technical is doing fine, it's my day, so let's increase the capital to increase the profit. A very common thing which every trader is used to follow. Just give me a thumbs up if everyone agree with that one. Like when trades are going positive, either we will start getting greedy, or we'll start getting excited that things are going very fine, and my trade will go positive is like a confidence. My trade will only go positive, that is our confidence, which will start getting, and we will increase the capital from 10 to 100. Or let's assume we are going to take a trade with 50% of that one. We take a trade with $50. Now 4 trade already positive, but 5th trade was negative, so I managed to book a profit of 32. I have lost 50, so now my capital is showing minus 18. If I talk about the success rate, out of 5, 4 trade positive, 80% success, still P&L minus. It's strange. At the same time, another trader is going to use money management. How it is going to affect him? As I have already said, that having high success rate doesn't mean that you are going to make profit or you are going to remain in profit. Now the same scenario with another trader. 4 trades, $10 each, profit, $32 profit with profitability of 80%. Now he is also trying to increase his profit. So what he is doing, he is going to increase his trade invested amount by $2, or so he is going to invest from 10, he will be investing 12, or let's make it 15. In that one, from 100 we move to 50. In this one we will move from 12 to 15, 1-5. Now if he is going to take 2 back-to-back trades for $15 each, and both trade are going to go into the negative side. Now what's the scenario? He took 6 trades. Out of 6, 4 trades are positive, 2 trades are negative. So success rate is lesser as compared to the previous trader. But if I'll check his P&L, he managed to book a profit of 32. He lost 15 plus 15, which is 30. So still his P&L is positive by $2. Now there might be some traders, those who will be stating, sir, what we will do with $2? But traders understand one more thing. It's not only about $2. Your capital is also safe. Understand that thing, because as I've already mentioned, you will be able to make capital when you have capital in your trading. There was an opportunity in AUD NZD OTC, and I have opened a trade in the upward direction. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, so we'll keep on shuffling it. So we can clearly observe that even though his success rate decreased, but still his P&L is positive. The reason behind is he was using a right mindset, he was using a right money management, and that is the key to success. Trading is not always about sprint. Like trading is like a marathon. Slowly and gradually you will keep on increasing your capital, rather than you will make a quick sprint. Like just imagine that I have somewhere around 30,000 in my trading account. I can take a trade with 5,000 also, and I can make a very nice capital. But what if that trade will go negative? The only thing which can be helpful for me to recover my fund, that is my capital. Now some traders might be stating that, okay Kunal, when my trade will start going positive, I will make a new deposit, or once my capital will be wiped out, I will make a new deposit. That is a mindset we need to focus on. Rather than making deposits again and again, make one deposit and use it again and again. That should be the mindset. And Abhilash, this is something which you should also follow, like slowly and gradually. In case if one trade will go positive, at least that is not going to affect you, because we are supposed to start our trading with the deposit, but we are not going to continue the complete trading with that one. Once we will make a profit, then we will start circulating the profit. how to recover my money? Tell me, the last 2 years I lost my capital. Muhammad Aman, as I've already asked, like, do you have any what we call any analyst you have, like any personal analyst you have received so far, or like which strategy you are using? And as you have mentioned that you have been making losses from a very long time, just try to follow this set of rule, like try to use your money management, risk management, set a goal. See, it took almost 2 years to lose that money. Take at least 6 months and then try to recover it, like make a trading plan for 6 months and then try to use it. See, yes, you're most welcome. Like in case in future, if we will be conducting some sessions where we will be inviting our traders also, so you're most welcome. Of course, we will be letting you know, or we will be explaining there, so you can let me know at that time. Aki, if you are talking about this strategy, so in this strategy, either you can scroll it back to get the explanation, or let me just give you a quick overview. So whenever we are going to get a parabolic appearance at the bottom of the chart, and at the same time MACD is trying to intersect this zero base level in the upward direction, the market can go into the upward direction. At the same time, if parabolic is appearing on the top and MACD is intersecting in the downward direction, so that can be the direction of the market. The reason, like, there are a couple of things you need to focus on. The signal should be fresh enough. It's not like that, okay, there was an intersection on this level and parabolic is going to appear after 5 to 7 candles. These should be simultaneously or a bit close to each other. Then you can try to analyze it. We have talked about n number of strategies in the past also, so you can explore from there as well. Okay, so hello to everyone. Okay. Yes, I'm so sorry, I'll not be able to share that information, but like a couple of things, like you can already check on my screen. Okay, live session, just a minute, I'm so sorry, I just call and I have missed. When will the next session, at which day and at which time? Just a minute. Okay, so Taseen, let me tell you, on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages, so whichever you are comfortable with, you can explore as per that one. If I talk about the English sessions, so these are conducted every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time. You can do one thing, just subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, so whenever we will be coming live, so you will be getting a notification. Just join, just check in which language we are talking about. If you are comfortable with that one, you can proceed, otherwise you can skip that one. But we are used to conduct sessions every now and then, so whenever you will we will be coming live, you will keep on getting the notification. And traders, this is a request to each one of you, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family before you wind up this session, so that you will be able to connect with us in future. Too much like that. Quarterly said hi. Yes, there is nothing like that. Every quote can be checked also. Everything is 100% visible, authenticate. We are part of FinCom also. We are regulated by government of Vanuatu, so there is nothing like. And see, understand one thing, Yash, if we want to manipulate something, then why we are coming here and we are keep on guiding you, or I am keep on telling you that trade with a small amount. We will be starting keep on telling you that okay, trade with a very big amount, then you will become a millionaire. You will start making huge profits when you will be making huge capitals. There is nothing like that. So don't bother yourself. Everything is streamlined, everything is 100% genuine, everything is 100% transparent also, so you can check everything in the quote history also. And there is a third party which will be guiding you, helping you with the certification of each quote. Komang, which profit you are talking about? Hello sir, sometimes the crossing and sir change, we open a trade but it goes in the negative side. Why this happen? Beneath also you need to focus on, like, whether the market is somewhere in the support or resistance level, or whether it is stuck there, or what is the timing of like what is the formation of the previous candle. So I have give a quick brief about that one, so you can just make a quick scroll back and you can explore it there. Please some candles info. See, Asaf, the easiest way to analyze a candle, as I've already mentioned, bigger the body, smaller the wick, that can be a suitable candle. At the same time, you should also focus on in which direction the wick is there, like how exactly the wick is going to work. Like if the wick is on the top upper side, and if it is a green candle, so it is stating that the market move into that specific level, but there was a rejection in the downward. At the same time, if the wick is in the bottom level like this one, so in red candle, market should try to move into the downward direction. So market moved at that level, but there was a price rejection. So that's how you can just make a quick analysis about that one. And always trade in a trending market. Do not trade in a consolidation market. Okay, can I see your transaction history? Sir, I can show you my trade history. Yeah, sure. So this is the one I have okay, so these are a couple of trades which I have we just made now, and these are the trades which I have made today itself. A couple of negative was there also, but this is the history you can explore. Okay, so what's next? Said hi, hello to everyone. Chhatrapal ji, I'm so sorry. Like in Hindi also, we are conducting sessions on every Tuesday and Thursday. So of course, you can subscribe the channel, join us at that time, and you can continue as per that. Do some trades, bro. Kasulla pa no money. See, I'm so sorry. Like I am trying to grab some opportunity, but some trades are going positive, some are going negative. At the same time, US market is already open, so just expecting some fluctuations. But I believe like we have taken a couple of trades, a few were positive, few were, so like how many trades we have taken? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 2 positive, 1 no profit no loss, and 3 loss. Okay, so somewhere around 50%, near to 50%. Okay, no worries. Like, and whatever I have lost, I believe I will be recovering everything with this trade which I have already executed. So it's also about to close. Let me take Cortex. See, Lakshya, like I am trading only on this platform. Hello, bro. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Tariq officially. Walaikum salam. I hope you're doing good. Show me your trades. Yes, I have already shared it, so you can just scroll back. I hope you have already checked trading tips. Not advice. Like I'm just asking like what exactly you are saying. Yes, I wish I could help you with that one, but unfortunately we will not be. I can contact personally. No, you won't be able to. Sir, yeah, traders. One more piece of information which I want to share with you. So as Yash asked about like if I can contact personally. So we have like me, we have a team of some personal analysts, so we are also conducting one-to-one sessions on Zoom. During these sessions you will be getting your personal analysts who will be sharing their screen, talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, and of course they will be guiding you. These sessions are going to be live. It's going to be a live communication, live conversation where you will be able to ask your question also, and they will be guiding you right away. The best part of that one, when I am going to share this information, I am sure that is going to be very exciting for each one of you. So I am expecting some hearts, emojis, and reactions on this information, because whether you are going to take one session or 1000, all these sessions are going to be free of cost. So traders, no need to pay anything ever to anyone. First thing. Second thing, as I have already mentioned, these are going to be one-to-one conversations. So you and your analyst will be there. No third person will be allowed. So in case whatever the questions you will be having, no need to bother yourself like whether I should ask or I have already asked it multiple times. That doesn't look good. There is nothing like that. Feel free to ask them as many times until and unless that question is not clear to you. For now, this facility is only exclusively available for the expert level holder. So I request you, please reach to the expert level as soon as possible. For advanced level also, like they can avail this service, they can have one session in a month. So my dear traders, those who are on the starter level so far, I request you try to work on your skills. Join the YouTube channel. These sessions whenever we are coming live, so of course you will be able to understand multiple strategies and you will be able to upgrade your level on the platform. Okay, and once you will reach on advanced or expert, or if you are already on the expert but you were not able to grab that opportunity, make sure your contact number should be updated on the platform. In case contact number is updated, you missed the call went to the spam, you saw it's a +44 Birmingham number, and you know disconnect the call, or because of any XYZ reason you were not able to connect with us, the best which I can suggest you, even you were on expert level in the past, still you can avail that service. In case if you have missed it, just go to the support team. Traders, please avoid sharing personal details in the comment section. Just go to the support team, tell them that you need some guidance in trading, this is your trading account, this is the contact number, share it with them, and then they will be forwarding that request to my department, either me or someone from my department. We will come into the picture, we will give you a call, and then we will line up your session. And again I'm mentioning, whether you are going to take one session or 1000, every session is going to be free, so no need to pay anything. So traders, we are still having almost 3 to 4 minutes. If you have any doubt, any question, just let me know. In the meantime, I'm also expecting some feedback from your side. So if you like today's conversation, if you find that today's conversation was quite useful for you, you can just give me some rating, thumbs up, heart, emojis, everything is accepted. If you want to give me rating 0 to 5, 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. In case if you think that there are a couple of things which need to be improved, just feel free to give your feedback, because these are the things which we are always looking forward, so that we will be able to improve it. And in case if you are going to give me a 0 star, that is completely accepted, no hard feelings, completely accepted. I will be working on those things. So just give me a quick overview, a quick feedback. 0 to 5 star or thumbs up, hearts, everything is accepted. Just let me know. Okay, so I have couple of more comments. Let me just nowadays there is a problem in Olymptrade chart, can zoom in, zoom out properly. Sir, just check if the application is updated one, because for me everything is working streamlined. Just check it there. How can I download trading history? Sir, you will not be able to download it. You can just explore it from there, or you can take some screenshots. What is the commission on the withdrawal? Safal SCT, we are not charging any sort of commissions, so everything is streamlined. That is also depending on the method to method. So sometime there might be some charges which might be charged to you because of that specific platform. Like if I talk about e-wallet or USDT wallet, so there might be some charges, there might be some conversion charges, but we are not the one those who are charging. Why don't you have a copy trade option? Sir, sometime like when we are trading, so there is a possibility that there might be some volatility, so that can lead your trade also into the negative side. That is why we are also suggesting avoid doing a copy trading. That is the only reason. Okay, right now I took place trade by this strategy. It's win euro AUD. That's seen. I am glad to see, but I request you please avoid taking this strategy directly to the live account. Use it on your demo first, and then take it to your live. Stark is saying that I have made some losses on the platform. Sir, please, Stark, I request you please work on your technicals strategies, and in case if you have your analyst, of course you can seek some guidance from him, because we are just about to close. So I'm so sorry, I will not be able to help you with that one. Muhammad Jihaya ji, hello, very good evening. So traders, I am still waiting for your feedback. I'm still waiting for expecting some good reviews, even though if there is something negative, that is completely accepted. So just let me know if everything is streamlined. If you like the today's conversation, just give me a thumbs up, rating, emojis, hearts, fire emoji, everything is accepted. So I'm just hoping for your interaction also on the same. And in the meantime, I'm requesting you again, so whatever you have learned so far in today's session, I request you please take it on your demo account first, open at least 70 to 100 trades, then come to a conclusion whether that strategy is working for you or not, and then you can proceed further. So thank you so much for such a Sriya, hello. So thank you so much for such an interactive session. I request you make sure that subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect with us, because I am always saying keep learning, keep earning, stay safe, stay healthy. So this was your host, financial expert Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next session. Bye.